Wagwan instructors, and welcome to Life Bible College Jamaica. We are so glad that you answered the call of the Lord to be a part of this next level Christian preparation for Jamaican leaders and what we hope will be leaders from around the world. If we haven't met already, my name is Ricky Navarro, and I get to serve as a multi-regional FMI emissary. And I'm currently working on 3 projects. One is a next-gen project for Spanish-speaking youth in Cuba, Puerto Rico, the Dominican Republic, and in Florida. And that is showing much promise through a digital experience. Another project that I'm working on is called the Alcanza Puerto Rico project, and that is a new church planting endeavor in Puerto Rico, and we are working in conjunction with the Global Council and the Southeast District of Foursquare Churches, and it is a delight to be a part of that. And then obviously what you are a part of is the transfer of the Life Bible College Jamaica from a traditional classroom setting to a solely online, both synchronous and asynchronous experience. And so we are excited and thrilled about these 3 projects and whatever else the Lord has for us. Each one of these is a multi-year project, so you can imagine we have our work cut out for us, but we're in this together, aren't we? Well, a little bit about myself. I live in Tampa, Florida with my wife of almost 30 years. We met at Life Bible College East in Christiansburg, Virginia, and we've been serving as pastors in ministry since our wedding day in 1991. We have 4 children and 1 granddaughter. None of them live close to us, and so we are truly empty nesters. And it took a little getting used to, but I think I'm getting there. I happen to be a product of Foursquare Missions International, having come to the Lord as a sophomore in college while I was living in my family home in Puerto Rico. And Carrie Ann, well, she grew up in Foursquare, having gone to a Foursquare church or attend a Foursquare church since the age of 9. So, what we want to make sure and let you know is that we can't thank you enough for your investment as instructors. You are a part of an elite team that God has been putting together, and we are extremely grateful for you. Now, the following will be a series of tutorials that, let me go ahead and back up here, I believe. Yep. And there we go. The following will be a series of tutorial videos that we've designed to help you navigate our LMS of choice, EasyClass, LMS standing for Learning Management System. Now, the beauty of EasyClass.com is that it is very easy for both instructors and students. It is also a cross-platform access, meaning it doesn't matter if you have a PC, a Mac, a Chromebook, a Linux system, you should have no problems accessing, neither you nor your students should have any problem accessing this platform and operating and navigating with it. It boasts some very powerful tools that we're going to help you learn how to operate. Don't be afraid of that term powerful. You'll see a lot of it is automated for you. It also has a secure cloud-based SaaS, or software as a service, as we like to call it. It also offers unlimited storage within certain portions of the platform. And did I say that it was extremely easy to use? I mean, it is very easy to use. There are 2 video series of tutorials that we are putting together. One is for instructors and the other one is for students. These videos will be accessible through our EasyClass.com My Files folder or section. You'll find that, and I'll show you how to get to that in a subsequent video. Also, the YouTube channel, which right now is just too long to memorize. We will have links to it and make it as seamless as possible for you. Other video topics will cover each one of the sections or the modules within EasyClass. First off, we'll begin with how to start your account if you haven't already. Then we'll give you an overview of our dashboard. Then we will go over setting up your class. Although we will set up your class initially for you, you will then populate that class. One of the things that's very important for President Phillips is that you have the authority to take your class and to do your class as you see fit. So what we're going to do is just provide a framework, and then you will provide all of the inside part of that, and you'll populate that yourself, and we'll help you with that. Also, there will be a series of videos or videos, about 7 or 8 videos, that will go through each one of the tools and the modules. Each one will be available for you, and we're going to go through every single one of those. For example, the class wall will be a separate video, discussions, assignments. All of these will be individual videos. That way you don't have to scrub through a really long video, and you can get straight to what you need. So if you need help with quizzes, you can go straight to the quizzes video, and that will hopefully save you some time and make it easier on you to go back and forth. We'll also cover grade books, members, the all-important class library, which is one of my favorite features of the module. And I think you'll see the possibilities are pretty broad for that. And so I'm excited about that. I'll also, as the need arises and you share with me the need, we may have additional videos that get created later down the road dealing with Zoom, which you will be using to have your synchronous live class discussion time. And our platform for that will be Zoom. And most of us have already used Zoom because of the pandemic, so I don't anticipate the need for going too far into that. Although, if you do want to do some of the advanced capabilities and use those of Zoom, we can go ahead and help you with that. Also, we will be doing, or I will be putting together a video to help you learn how to record and upload your videos. If you'd like to do pre-recorded lectures, then that would be best placed in our YouTube channel for easy access and for later use as well. And so I'll be showing you how to upload that directly. It's fairly cut and dry, and it shouldn't involve too much difficulty. Don't worry about overproducing this. We're going to help you as much as we possibly can. I don't want to leave you guys hanging in any way. Okay. A little bit about EasyClass. EC, as I like to call it, is a multinational non-for-profit, almost couldn't get that out, non-for-profit organization offering a completely free LMS system for both students and teachers. In fact, there are no institutional accounts, meaning that everything on this platform is instructor based and driven and student centered. Now, we've been able to get around some of that limitation by establishing a central instructor account that will serve as our admin and institutional hub. After that, we will then give access and rights to you and to students accordingly. This kind of helps us in helping you set up courses, adding some structures, archiving and performing maintenance and other administrative tasks. So we really want to be an all-around help to you. Now, a little bit more about EasyClass is there are nearly 1 million users around the world. It's available in 10 different languages. As I said, it's 100% free. It's supported actually by global investors. The development team is based in Italy, Hungary, and Romania. There are also shareholders in the United States, in the UK, in Switzerland, in France, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, and Lebanon. That just really shows you that this is truly a unique and multinational platform. And that is one of our goals for the school, is to have a multinational outreach. That is by and far one of the dreams for us, is to reach out all the way around the world and develop leaders around the world, right? Well, I want to let you know that I'm available for you as a support. We can correspond via email, phone. We can even set up times for personal Zoom sessions that would allow us to be able to share screens. I can see what you're seeing. You can see what I'm seeing. Allows us for some live interaction. So my contact information is on the screen. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and go on to the next video. God bless.